Dr. Anjanlal Datta from Kolkata.
Sir, what do you think the reasons behind the rising incidences of heart disease in women? What are the reasons do you think?
Firstly, we have to think whether it is rising incidence or we are rediscovering it. Probably the women were suffering from chronic heart disease or ischemic heart disease, and our mindset was biased because there were earlier reports which suggested that incidence of ischemic heart disease in women is significantly lower. That was reports about 2-3 decades earlier. And the same probably mindset was still operating till few years back when we started seeing high incidence of ischemic heart disease. So I am not too sure whether the incidence of ischemic heart disease has started rising in the women or we are diagnosing it more frequently with a more open and unbiased mind and more clinical acumen and technical advantage.
Sure, sir. I think we are rediscovering, but still, do you think there are a lot of lifestyle changes which has happened in past decade? Like earlier, now we have washing machines, we have microwaves. For even the working of women is changing. So
there is some psychosocial stress the modern women are going through, no doubt about it, because of two worlds, one outside home, one inside the home, particularly the working ladies. Some risk factors, like as you mentioned, that probably some little bit of inactivity because of more advanced domestic life and financial affluence. They are going through less physical activity. So this has probably resulted in weight gain and other risk factors like diabetes, blood pressure. These could be attributing. But this is equally attributing the men folk as well. So this is not the entire reason why we see the incidence of ischemic heart disease so high in women. Probably we are, as you know, unmasking what was not there.
Sure, sir. Sir, as we all know that we had been and we are a male-dominated society. Somehow we have biasness about female in lot of even at our home. So do you think this gender-biased mentality is being applied in managing the health of women as well, in terms of exploring it?
Yeah, women in general have become a victim of this mindset of men folk who are at the helm of health administration and health treatment affair, no doubt about it. That apart, there is some socio-economic factors as well important playing. A woman herself probably doesn't think that it's worth spending money on my health, rather than my husband is more important because he is the earning member of the family. So the woman tries to keep herself away from any exposure of her illness or in disability unless it goes too far and becomes highly complicated. So these socio-economic factors as well as the male mindset, as you said, biased against women, the two factors are there definitely playing an important role.
Sure, sir. So my last question, what are your viewpoints about Queen of Heart initiative?
The Queen of Heart meeting or platform, whatever you call it, is an important, probably long overdue initiatives by a particular industry taking into confidence the other physicians and doctors, so that the problem of ischemic heart disease in women is properly assessed, so that awareness in the general public is brought about regarding the fact that the women are equally, if not more, vulnerable to ischemic heart disease, that we can address the problem adequately, properly, and finally to pass on the message to the all section of the society that women need to be treated as cardiac patients at par with men, and if not, in a better way, because women suffering from ischemic heart disease are known to have a poorer outcome than men.